Are you a senior like me? Well, in today's video, we're going to do 9 rebounding steps, easy for seniors, that you don't want to miss. So let's get started. Okay, let's just start with the health bounce. Shoulder width apart. Soften the knees. Relax the shoulders. They were down and back, and engage that core tight. This is your health bounce, pushing down on the mat with the full body, with the whole body, push down. And breathe in and breathe out. Let's do that again. One more time. Just helping lubricate the joints. This is low impact, beginner friendly. All right. So that was step number 1. That's your health bounce. You can do this. This is going to be about 9 or 10 minutes long, so you can do each of them 30 seconds to about a minute. Let's go to heel lifts. Both heels at first, and then left and right. Rebounding helps alleviate all, if you have pain, like I had pain, it helps alleviate pain. It helps alleviate stiffness. Because like I said, it lubricates the joints. It's low impact. Oh, and you know what else it does? Go back to double. It helps if you have a sluggish digestive system. Yeah, you know what that means, right? Yeah, getting all that stuff out of your body. All right, let's go to a walk. Left and right. Work on the legs first, getting the feet going. Then you can move your arms. We're going to work on balance and coordination. Yes, if you have your stability bar and you need a little bit of extra help, hold on to your stability bar or your T-bar. And as we get older, you know what happens? We lose bone density. Rebounding will help with bone density and strengthening your muscles, ligaments, tissues. It's good for your cells inside. It's like kind of like washing the dishes. You have your dishes are dirty on the cabinet. You know they're dirty. Your cells is cleaning your cells out. That's what it's doing. All right, out, out, in. Out, out, in. I am leading with the right leg, probably looks left to you. Now I'm going to step the other way. Lead with the other leg. Just like that. All right, step touch. And, you know, rebounding helps with the posture because you're concentrating on standing up straight, sucking in that gut. Yeah, step touch. You can swing your arms if you want. All right, that's the 5th step, step touch. All right, the sixth step is going to be heels to the front and heels to the corner. Looks like this. Corner and corner. Heel, heel, corner, front, and corner. Now, other one. Heel to the front, corner, corner. Right, left, right, left. Or you can just do heel digs. If that's easier for you, just do this. Heel digs. And then when you're ready, then you can go to the corners. Good. Number 7, step up, step back, up and back. Now, you can always use your own music because this one is just a little fast. And I'm gonna switch legs. All right, I'm gonna go to a push back. Push, like this. Push back, push back. Squeeze in the legs, the glutes. Push, push. Or you can do it out to the side. Okay? Out to the side or to the back. Good. Shake it out. Let's do knee left. Pull the knee up. You don't have to do it high. You can do it low. How about that? That was the 9 steps. Now, let's just do a little bonus. If you want to lift off the mat, little bonus. This is a little joyful jump. Yes, so that's working on cardiovascular health, your heart, working on the lymphatic system, draining the toxins, bacteria, disease. So many benefits. I am working on a PDF that I'm going to give away free with some wonderful benefits. And that's it. That is it for today. Let's just go back to the health bounce and breathe. So much fun. And remember, you go at your pace. Okay, now we're going to step off very carefully. Turn this off. And don't forget to have your water. All right, and we will see you next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Why haven't you subscribed yet? Hit the subscribe button and comment below which step was your favorite step. All right, and I'll see you next time. Bye.